state apparatus. And I've said that lady senior advocate Amupitan should recall that before him, there have been many umpires in this country. And long after they left, history has been the unbiased, history and posterity has been the unbiased judge of human conduct. So he has the opportunity today to determine whether he wants to be remembered as a man of upright capacity who fought for democracy, or he wants to go down. And he has copious examples of both who have acted in both directions. And so he should know. There are names today you mention in Nigeria, and people don't allow your children to pass the law. There are other names you mention in this country, and people say, oh, come, your father, your mother was a good person. They should remember that the ultimate judge of human conduct, apart from, there are three courts: the court of God, the court of law, and the court of public opinion. One we only know when we die, and when the man is happy or angry, which is the court of God. The court of law is speaking, and we cannot fault them when it gets to the apex level. But the court of public opinion, they are receiving the opinions daily.
Yes, thank you. We've got to concentrate. I'm sure the